waging an unending battle against the villainous tyranny of transmission repair neglect, Captain Transmission.
Also known as the mild-mannered transmission, Little Dusty of Dusty's Transmission.
Tirelessly scans the nation's highways and byways, seeking to put an end to the shameful abuse and neglect of innocent transmissions everywhere. Even the notorious villain, Lacko Maintenance Man, is no match for the legendary power of Captain Transmission.
Hey, no more sleeping, Captain.
Dusty's Transmission. You'll always find me hanging around there.